Plaza Hotel Pioneer Park. We will be traveling to the legendary heart of El Paso, where we will be checking into the Plaza Hotel Pioneer Park. This beautiful gem in the heart of downtown has just opened its doors after an 8-year restoration project. Its grand opening was June 2020. Welcome to the Plaza Hotel Pioneer Park, a landmark property that has been reborn as El Paso's most luxurious boutique hotel. Since its debut in the 1930s, the Plaza has commanded a striking position along the city's skyline, welcoming A-listers such as Conrad Hilton, Elizabeth Taylor, and other Hollywood elite and dignitaries. Now, the iconic 130-room hotel is reasserting itself as the starlet of the city and inviting both travelers and locals to step inside and make new, everlasting memories. Whatever draws you here to Texas, you'll discover a singular stay at the Plaza, which embodies both its glamorous past as well as its modern revival. Unlock the door to your private room, and you will discover a timeless property that has been lovingly restored and thoughtfully reimagined for a new era of travelers. With subtle design elements inspired by both the Plaza's historic Art Deco facade and the surreal desert backdrop of West Texas, the room features a soothing burgundy, cream, and champagne palette with 5-star amenities. When you stay at the Plaza, you'll feel transported. The rooms take cues from the Pueblo Revival Art Deco architectural style and the dramatic scenery of surrounding West Texas, including its limitless skies and the rugged peaks of the Franklin Mountains. Discover luxe details. Chanel tufted headboards, Matouk linens, Café Bruno marble at every turn, and an expansive art collection that rivals top galleries and museums. In the elegant bathrooms, creamy Calcutta and espresso-hued Café Bruno marble, brushed metal, and custom-textured wall tiles deliver a relaxing, spa-like atmosphere. At the lobby-level bar at Embodies, guests can mingle with El Paso natives around a striking 2-story backlit amber backdrop, with a world-class selection of fine-sipping tequilas and mezcals, as well as comil, pulque, and other rare Mexican spirits. Those who prefer wine will appreciate the extensive wine list, emphasizing the New World white wines emerging from below the border. Overall, this hotel was a treat, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a luxury hotel experience in a tastefully restored historical building. This is a one-of-a-kind experience that I would highly recommend if you have the chance to visit El Paso. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new travel, lifestyle, and shopping videos. Don't forget to click the bell.